Thanks for calling Salt and Sugar. Tan speaking. How can I help you this evening? This is Donald Trump. I would like to make a reservation on Saturday, March the 28th for about 25 people around 8 p.m. Sure, sir. Is it for any special occasion? Yes, it is. It is my daughter Ivanka's 21st birthday. Let me check the reservation list for that evening, sir. Well, actually, we do have a slot open for that evening. And usually for a large group as yours, we recommend the party menu. It's not only reasonable, but it's also very convenient. Would you prefer that, Mr. Trump? Or would you go a la carte? I definitely will go with your recommendation. By the way, do you do anything special for birthdays? We surely do, sir. We'll make it a very memorable evening for her. Well, please fax me your party menu and I would fax you all my credit card details. Thank you very much again, sir. We highly appreciate your kind business. And if you do have any questions or concerns, feel free to call us and let us know. Otherwise, we'll be looking forward to see you on Saturday, the 20th of March. Have a great evening. Anyway, before I forget, what's the parking situation over there? Oh, sure. Parking is actually right across the street from us. It is the Marriott parking. And with our validation, it is only $5. Without our validation, it is $15 though. Thank you very much for your help. You had been great. Glad I could help, sir. Have a great evening. Likewise, Stan.